Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a portfolio on Readymag. First, you will need to sign up for a Readymag account. Once you are logged in, you can choose to start with a blank canvas or select one of the many professionally designed templates available. Readymag's interface is incredibly user-friendly, featuring a simple drag-and-drop system that makes placing elements straightforward. This initial setup takes only a few minutes, getting you ready to build your stunning online presence. Now, let's add your amazing work. You can easily upload high-resolution images, embed videos, and add descriptive text for each project. Readymag provides robust grid systems and alignment tools to help you arrange your content precisely, ensuring a clean and professional layout. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fonts, color palettes, and subtle animations to truly reflect your unique style and make your portfolio stand out from the crowd. To make your portfolio truly engaging, consider adding interactive elements. Readymag offers various widgets such as image sliders, pop-ups, and hover effects that can bring your projects to life. It is crucial to ensure your design is fully responsive, meaning it looks fantastic on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. For those with coding knowledge, you can even integrate custom code snippets to add advanced functionalities, giving you complete creative control over your presentation. Finally, it is time to share your masterpiece with the world. Always preview your portfolio extensively to catch any last-minute errors or design inconsistencies. Once you are satisfied, you can publish your project to a custom domain or use a Readymag subdomain if you prefer. After publishing, make sure to share your new, professional online portfolio across all your social media channels and professional networks to maximize its reach and impact.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.